Upbind educational app is designed on the basis of latest educational syllabus, which has been prepared by our team of expert writers, designers, analyzers, teachers. Our app develops functional aptitude in children along with intellectual mental development and improves their fine motor skills, grows motor skills. It provides a platform where the student gets to know the smallest details related to the topic, which makes them confident and expressive. We believe in explaining concepts through best methodology and not just memorization, which clears your understanding towards the topic and helps your growth. The Upbind educational app is a complete package that provides us with videos as well as worksheets, quizzes, ebooks, and the most interesting educational games. Our teaching methodology keeps children connected to the subject, which speeds up their learning process. We quickly learn and grasp what we see and experience. This method of learning remains permanent in our mind. Keeping this concept in mind, our experts prepared educational games on every topic. Our educational games make us different from others and help kids to learn topics in a very interesting way. The child gets the smallest information related to the topic in the game itself, engages them in education and makes them creative. Along with entertainment, helps children to revise the topic. Our worksheets have been prepared by educational experts from Upbind. Our colorful printable worksheets help children to revise topics and keep them engaged. Our team of expert educators, writers, and counselors prepare quizzes on each and every topic explained, so that the student can analyze and assess what they learned. Our quizzes clears the understanding of the child towards the topic. Upbind provides short notes of each point related to the topic, which helps the child to revise the chapter. The short notes are prepared by the experts, keeping in mind every detail of the examination, which helps the student to score good grades and clear concepts effectively. Download the Upbind app today.